Hey there, professionals. Today, I'm diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone in the business world, the life cycle of successful negotiations. Negotiation isn't just a skill, it's an art, a strategy, and a journey. So, let's unlock the secrets together. Firstly, preparation is key. Imagine building a house without a blueprint. You wouldn't, right? The same applies to negotiations. Research your counterpart, understand their needs and goals, anticipate their arguments and prepare your responses. This groundwork sets the foundation for everything that follows. Next up, establishing a connection. People negotiate with people they trust. Create rapport by finding common ground. Whether it's a shared interest or a mutual acquaintance, building a connection can give you an edge. Remember, a little empathy goes a long way. Now let's talk about the negotiation itself. It's game time. Be clear about your goals, but stay flexible. Listen more than you speak. It's in these moments of listening that you'll uncover what truly matters to the other party. And that, my friends, is your leverage. Here's a big tip. Don't rush. Patience can be your greatest ally. Sometimes the best deals come from taking a step back and giving the other party time to think. Silence can be a powerful tool. Finally, closing the deal. It's not just about shaking hands and signing papers. Make sure all terms are crystal clear and both parties feel satisfied. A good deal leaves everyone feeling like they've won. And remember, maintaining the relationship post-negotiation can pave the way for future collaborations. So to recap, prepare thoroughly, establish a connection, negotiate with clarity and patience, and close with mutual satisfaction. Master these steps and you'll transform your negotiation skills. Thanks for tuning in. Now go out there and make those deals happen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful tips. Until next time.